Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about TransUnion's global presence. TransUnion is a global information and insights company. While it's one of the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States, it operates in over 30 countries and territories around the world. These locations span North America, Latin America, Europe, Africa, India, and the Asia Pacific. The company provides a wide range of services to both businesses and consumers. For businesses, they offer solutions for credit risk management, fraud prevention, and marketing. For consumers, they provide access to credit reports and scores, as well as tools for identity protection and financial management. So, while TransUnion has a significant presence in the U.S., its operations are truly international, serving a global customer base across multiple industries. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.